Welcome back to our channel. Today we are revealing some amazing DIY hidden storage ideas that will help you declutter and organize your home. If you are looking to make the most of your space while keeping things out of sight, this video is for you. Hidden storage solutions are perfect for maintaining a clean and tidy home without sacrificing style or functionality. Let's jump right into our favorite DIY ideas. First up, consider creating hidden storage within your furniture. For example, you can transform a regular ottoman into a storage ottoman. Simply remove the top, add some things, and create a hollow space inside. Now you have a stylish piece of furniture that doubles as a storage unit for blankets, magazines, or toys. Next, let's talk about staircases. If you have stairs in your home, you have a goldmine of unused space. Turn the steps into drawers or install pull-out cabinets along the side of the staircase. These hidden compartments are perfect for storing shoes, bags, or other items you want to keep out of sight. Now, onto the kitchen. Use the space under your cabinets for hidden drawers. These slim pull-out trays are great for storing cutting boards, baking sheets, or utensils. Another clever idea is to add a pull-out pantry between your fridge and the wall. It is an easy DIY project that provides a ton of extra storage without taking up much space. For the bedroom, consider building a headboard with hidden storage. You can create a simple box frame with shelves or cubbies on the sides or behind the headboard. This is perfect for storing books, alarm clocks, or even extra pillows. It is a discreet way to keep your bedroom tidy while having everything you need close at hand. In the living room, why not try a hidden charging station? Create a small compartment in your coffee table or side table to hide those unsightly cords and chargers. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any video. Thank you for watching.